Thank you. I'd like to introduce you to the men's wing of the Mother Divine group. Mother Divine organization. Sorry, I didn't. I, I better go on. Yes. But anyway, it's nice to meet you all. First of all, great congratulations. This building is beautiful. It's breathtaking. It's majestic, and it's just grand. Its sheer size reflects the monumental accomplishment and focus for many years for a few precious souls. Mother Divine has a new home in North America. It was built by people who love you. It is also a beautiful reminder of the importance and grandeur of Mother Divine has had on all our lives. This building would just be a building if it were not for the sublime consciousness all of you have infused into it. You bring life to this building. All you have to do is be in it, meditate in it, live in it. It will be a temple for North America, a temple for goodness to radiate throughout the continent. Maharishi loved this land. He said never leave it and never sell it. The building has revived this holy land and gives it a new purpose. It is like a spiritual revival. Maharishi's knowledge has a home in North America. I wanted to share with you that Mother Divine has had a very special blessing in my life. I have been most fortunate to have had a personal connection with all of you through my wife, Raj Rajeshwaris Rona, and now through Anita Warner. Their lives have been nourished and blessed by you. They each held you in their hearts and spread the value of Mother Divine around the world. Rona and Anita shared 30 years of courses together in your presence, speaking on their fine fabrics of consciousness, while steadfastly dedicated to seeing this building built for you. Their collective mission to support the next generation of women who went to your schools are now leaders in our movement. And they have helped tens of thousands of women and girls gain a free education grounded in opportunity, developing their own special inner dignity, self-confidence, and joy in their lives. I think my aunt summed it up best about these two blessed souls in my life when she said, "Jeffrey, you hit the jackpot twice." Then she said, "How did that happen?" Mother Divine. You have a blessed and most powerful state of being to share. As a vital women's global and spiritual organization, more people should know about you, experience your depth of consciousness, and help support you. You are sisters to all of us. You should feel protected and loved. That is my wish for you. I feel the transcendent being very lively here. Share this place. It is the transcendent. Bring everyone back here, back to their selves, to the divine silence that deeply connects us all. Your lives are a perfect reminder why we all learn TM and our precious and most rare life we had with Maharishi, to gain enlightenment, to live his and Gurudev's state of life, and to serve them. Your sublime devotion to this life is why we are all here today. We thank you for your steadfast resolve and service to the highest values of life. You are a blessing to us and to the world.